If you're looking for additional exercises to strengthen that core and reduce that lower back pain, this is core phase number 2. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. Hi everyone, for our first exercise today, we are going to be doing a plank. For this plank, you're going to go down onto your forearms. Make sure they're nice and flat, elbows directly underneath those shoulders, and we're going to stay on those knees with your shoelaces pointing down towards the ground. We're going to hold this stance for 30 seconds, sucking in that belly button to engage that core. Now, if you don't feel any discomfort in that low back and this is feeling like a relatively easy exercise, you're going to push up onto those toes for me. Keep that back nice and flat, and we're going to hold this position for 30 seconds. You're going to hold this 30 seconds and do it 2 times. For our second exercise today, we are going to be doing advanced bird dogs. So similar to core phase 1, you're going to go down onto those hands and those knees, arms right underneath the shoulders, knees directly underneath those hips to keep you stabilized. Extend one arm straight out in front of you, opposite leg. Now instead of holding this, you're now going to bring them in. Try to touch that knee to that elbow underneath that belly button and go back out. We're going to go in and out for 10 consecutive reps. And then we're going to switch and perform that on the other side. For our last exercise, we are going to do mid-back foam rolling. So for this exercise, you will need a nice foam roller. This one is about 90 centimeters long or 30 inches. You're going to start this right below those shoulder blades so you can comfortably relax upon it. Arms come straight up in front of you to get them out of the way, and feet start hip width apart. You're going to lift that butt off the ground, pull your butt to your feet to get that foam roller all the way up to the top of the shoulders. Extend those arms back, try to touch the floor, bring them back in front of you, and then you're going to slowly push that foam roller all the way down to that low back, rocking on the back of those heels. We're going to go back up, bring those arms, touch that mat, and push all the way down. Now, for that exercise, you're going to perform that 10 times. Up and back does count as 1 rep. Thank you for following along for core phase 2 today. For these exercises that we perform, they should be done at least 2 to 3 times per week and at your convenience. If you enjoyed watching these videos today, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in any of the products that we used, you can go to our website or you can click in the description below.